Do you have the travel bug but feel like your budget is holding you back? With proper planning and smart budgeting, everyone can make their dream vacation come true. No matter you are planning a budget-friendly adventure or a big family getaway, I'll show you exactly how to turn these travel dreams into reality. First of all, a dream vacation doesn't happen by accident. It takes planning and setting aside money to make it a reality. Let's explore two common scenarios. Scenario 1. You are planning a vacation for 2 people or maybe consider joining a group for the journey. Here is what a typical 1-week vacation for 2 people would cost. For a trip within the US, you can expect to spend $3,000 to $4,000. This includes about $1,000 for the airfare, $1,400 for accommodations, and other costs for food, activities, and other expenses. If you choose to do a road trip instead, it could be more affordable since you will save on airfare. On the other hand, if you choose to go vacation overseas, the airfare is generally more expensive than a domestic trip, and the hotel prices can vary widely depending on the destination. Popular tourist destinations often come with more expensive hotel costs. Generally speaking, for an overseas vacation for 2 people, you'll likely need a budget of $4,000 to $5,000. Scenario 2. You are planning a trip for a family of 4. Depending on the age of your kids, you may double the airfare and possibly book a suite or 2 hotel rooms. That adds up the cost. A family vacation within the US involving air travel and hotel stays will typically cost between $6,000 and $8,000. For a family vacation overseas, you are looking at around $8,000 to $10,000. That sounds expensive, and that's why we need to have a plan and set aside money for a dream vacation. Remember, travel expenses fall under the wants category of your personal budgeting, so they should come from the 30% discretionary spending based on the 50-30-20 personal budgeting rule. For details of this rule, check out my other video. For example, if your monthly income as a couple is $6,000 and you've paid off all your high-interest debt, congratulations! Now you can allocate up to 30% of your income, that is $1,800 to discretionary spending. To save for a big vacation, set aside $400 or $500 a month from that wants category. In a year, you'll have the funds for the dream vacation for the 2 of you. For a family of 4 with a monthly income of $8,000 and you've paid off all your high-interest debts, your wants budget can go up to $2,400. However, I think you would agree with me. Spending up all that money every month might be excessive and is not wise. Instead, you could save $800 per month from that wants money. At the end of the year, you'll have around $10,000 set aside for a family vacation that will create memories for your family for a lifetime. In the next video, I'll share tips on how to make the best use of every penny that you've saved for this dream vacation. I'll introduce several credit cards that are good for travel and vacation, as well as how to find the best deals on air tickets and hotels. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel saving and personal finance tips. See you in the next video.